Chapter 4 Gender. Get Set Go. Monica's family has taken the metro to see the Qutub Minar. There are two lines to enter the metro station. Line A is for males and line B is for females. Help Monica find out who should go in which line. Learn with me. Feminine and masculine gender. Nouns like Ansh, Mr. Shivam, father, brother, grandfather, son, and nephew belong to the male group or he group. These nouns belong to the masculine gender. Your father and brother are male, just like Monica's father and brother. A noun that denotes male is of the masculine gender. For example, host, king, actor, waiter, etc. Nouns like Monica, Mrs. Sharmila, mother, sister, grandmother, daughter, and niece belong to the female group or she group. These nouns belong to the feminine gender. Your mother and sister are female, just like Monica and her mother. A noun that denotes female is of the feminine gender. For example, hostess, queen, actress, waitress, etc. Animal also have gender like humans. He animals such as cock, bull, deer, lion, etc. belong to the masculine gender. On the other hand, she animals like hen, cow, dog, lioness, etc. belong to the feminine gender. Did you know some languages like Turkish, Hungarian, and Tamil do not use gender for nouns? Learn the masculine and feminine words from the table below. Masculine, feminine. Male, female. King, queen. Actor, actress. Host, hostess. Waiter, waitress. Father, mother. Son, daughter. Brother, sister. Grandfather, grandmother. Uncle, aunt. Nephew, niece. Husband, wife. Prince, princess. Duke, duchess. Baron, baroness. Father-in-law, mother-in-law. Son-in-law, daughter-in-law. Cock, hen. Rooster, hen. Bull, cow. Stallion, mare. Buck, dog. Ram, ewe. Boar, sow. Lord, lady. Gander, goose. Drake, hen. Tiger, tigress. Lion, lioness. Poet, poetess. Additional insights. Common gender words are used for both males and females. For examples, the word teacher can be used for a man or a woman who teaches. The same goes for words like doctor and friend. They work for anyone, male or a female. So when we use these words, we are talking about people or animal without needing to specify their gender.